We're heading down to Providence, Rhode Island to federhill Pizza located at 1039 Chalkstone Avenue. In this video, Billy Manzo, master pizza maker, explains how he lovingly transformed a former burlesque theater and movie house into a world-class pizzeria. Billy exudes passion and commitment to his craft of making pizza. He also is committed to giving back to the community by sharing the joys of pizza. He's an extraordinary chef with a lot of heart. Here's Billy.
Albert Grande here, pizzatherapy.com, legendsofpizza.com/blog, with my friend Billy Manzo here at federhill Pizza.
Chalkstone Avenue in Providence.
Chalkstone Avenue in Providence. And this is just an amazing place. Let's talk a little bit about the physical restaurant place, Bill.
Okay, the building was built in 1925. It's an original vaudeville movie theater owned by MGM Mayer. And then it went from a vaudeville into a movie theater, 11,000 square feet. I took it over. It was empty for about 15 years. A major company had come in and developed the property. They put a lot of money into it. They didn't make it as a dinner theater. After that time, it sat for, again, 15 years. Then me and my wife came in, and I actually bought the movie theater that I went to when I was a little kid.
And I'll add to the spot that my mom, who grew up in this neighborhood, came to the same movie theater.
That's pretty cool.
So there's a lot of history here.
Yeah, a lot of history.
Which is amazing. And you really transformed this movie theater into a pizzeria.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about where we are, what's going on here.
You know, Albert, it was a lot of people, when you open up a restaurant or a business, it's easy to go too far. It's very easy to write the check. And when you come into a property like this, it's actually it's a historical building. And I will never really own federhill Pizza, quote, the castle. I really truly believe I'm a guest in the building. I've revamped the building. So actually, when somebody says, where are you going tonight? They always say, well, we're gonna go to the castle. By the way, there's federhill Pizza in it. And I am so humbled by that. I'm not insulted by that. So when we came into the property, I made sure not to do too much to disturb what the property looked like, as you can tell. So somebody had originally put 11,000 cubic feet of concrete to fill the stadium floor, if you may, and flattened it so it would be a restaurant. I couldn't do anything about that, but I left the original 2 screens up from the 50s. The walls were the same as you saw. The entrance was the same. The floor was the same in the, quote, where the popcorn and all that stuff was, which it was originally a barber shop. So I tried to keep the building exactly the way it was, as much as it could be, and also food safe because it was going to be a restaurant.
Okay. And you were very successful with it. It's a beautiful place. I mean, it's a historical place. It's a wonderful place.
Thank you.
Tell me about the pizza that you serve here.
As we had spoken before, I'm very humbled with the cooperation of Cinque Stagioni, School of Pizza in Italy, Caputo Cheese Company, and Baccio Laprina Foods, Baccio Cheese, and some other sponsors. They really believed in my vision. They believed what the program was I wanted to put together, with the possibility of an education facility with using flour, Cinque and some other flours, specifically Cinque is the foundation, and doing more than just pizza. So this will be a place and a facility where people will make pasta. They'll make cookies. They'll make breads. It will be a baking facility. I truly believe, and have always believed, and these were conversations that I've had over many, many years before these companies made a commitment, that you need to be a facility of education of all qualities and education standards to make what you want to do, quote, in pizza, a better, quote, pizza maker. Yes, you can put flour, you can put water. Again, people have heard me say this many times, Albert. You can get a bag of nonnas or papas, rip the bag, throw the water in, do the 60 to 65% hydration. That's great. Make a living. But on my, quote, my goal, I think it's more important to create your own flour mixtures, to be your own individual particular restaurant owner that specializes in pizza. I don't believe that anybody, Albert, is a, quote, what do you do? I own a pizzeria. No, you don't. No, you don't. You own a restaurant and you specialize in pizza. That you have a bathroom that's wheelchair safe, you have a hood, Ansel system, everything that a restaurant has, everything. waiters, taxes, but you specialize in pizza. And if, you know, that's my goal.
And tell me about some of the special pizzas that you make.
What I made tonight for you guys was I made 5 different round pizzas for you guys. First, I made Sicilian rice balls. I did some schmelts like the Rhode Island. So we did some schmelts with a nice little dressing on the side, mignonette. Then we did eggplant, Sicilian eggplant, like we always do, which is cut extremely thin. Your mom absolutely loves it, always, as usual. And then we did the round pizzas. And that's a 3-flour combination over a certain amount of time of rise. We did wild mushroom. So it was dehydrated mushrooms. We rehydrate them, very meaty flavor. We use that with 3 different mushrooms, put that on one pizza. Then we also use, we did a dry sausage, which is the Italian dried stick. We shave it thin. So it's not like pepperoni, but 100% pork-based. And then we did El Taglio, which you kind of flipped out over as he's shaking his head with the square. And I did a blood orange balsamic vinaigrette with porchetta, shaved very thin, speck, pistachio and almonds. We smoke them, take them out, drizzle them like dust on top of the pizza. And then we also, because I'm a little high on this, right, and I've gotten some good feedback, so we used, again, the Sicilian, the little tiny Italian raisins. We soak them in rum, threw them on. I did it a couple of weeks ago. The people flipped out over it, so I did it for you.
Just phenomenal. What an incredible meal.
Thank you.
We're rolling out of here, Bill.
You too, man.
So tell only because we can't walk.
Yeah.
Because we had so much phenomenal food.
Go ahead.
So tell us how people can contact Federhill Pizza.
You can get us on Facebook at federhillpizza.com or Federhill Pizza. Please feel free to get in touch with me. And so please come in. You can also get me on Instagram at Federhill Pizza, or you can get in touch with me at Billy Manzo on Facebook. And we do an immense amount of videos. And Albert, I can't say thank you enough. Your family, I love you.
Okay. Billy, thank you so much. Federhill Pizza, Chalkstone Avenue, Providence, Rhode Island.
Providence and Warren.
And Warren, Rhode Island. That's right.
You got it.
Location, Federhill Pizza in Warren, Rhode Island. And what's the address here at Chalkstone?
1037 Chalkstone Avenue in Providence.
Billy, thank you so much.
And I hope people appreciate what you do, Albert, because you're a gentleman, and what you've done for the pizza industry, nobody does it. So kudos to you. I hope you put that in. Don't edit that out.
I'm not going to edit
Please,
that.
please.
All right, Billy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Billy. I always appreciate spending time with you, and I always learn something as well. You can discover Federhill Pizza in Providence at Chalkstone Avenue and in Warren, Rhode Island at 495 Main Street. You can visit Federhill Pizza online at federhillpizza.com. Check them out on Facebook and Twitter, as well as Instagram. For more pizza, please visit pizzatherapy.com. And while you're here, show a little pizza love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel by clicking below. Pizza on Earth.